Welcome to this video about daily English conversation lessons with subtitle. Do you want to learn English? The best way to learn English is to listen to it often and practice speaking it as often as possible. This video will help you improve your English speaking skills and your English listening skills. English listening skills are so important. Listen to these conversations often and practice saying them when you can during the day. You will improve your speaking and listening ability very quickly with this way. Listen to the conversation and repeat each sentence. I hate driving in this city. I hate driving in this city.
Why do you hate it? Why do you hate it?
There is traffic everywhere you go. There is traffic everywhere you go.
I know that can be stressful. I know that can be stressful.
How do you handle it? How do you handle it?
It's just about finding two things. It's just about finding two things.
And what is that? And what is that?
First, you need to find a lot of patience. First, you need to find a lot of patience.
What's the second thing? What's the second thing?
Then, you need to find a lot of shortcuts. Then, you need to find a lot of shortcuts.
Can you show me some of these shortcuts? Can you show me some of these shortcuts?
Sure, I'll show you around tomorrow. Sure, I'll show you around tomorrow.
Thank you so much. I was about to go crazy. Thank you so much. I was about to go crazy. Thanks for watching. Please share and like if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to Learn with Cartoon channel. Publish video to your friends. Thanks so much.